who are you using for your PMS, your property management software? Why did you choose them? What do you like about them? What do you not like about them? And just give like your overall review about why you decided to go with them, please.
That's the golden question. That is everybody's question, isn't it? What PMS and why? For us, we are with Hostfully. We've recently moved across from Avivo. And the reason we moved across to Hostfully is because we recognise that the most important thing is the guest experience, and how easy it is to book with us is going to get us more direct bookings. And they have the ability to connect to our Boostly website really well. The guest journey itself is quite good, so when somebody goes to book on a website, it seems really easy for them to do so. It's really clear, and so that was the main reason. The second reason was because the integrations, there's a lot of API integrations, and the main one that we were missing at the time from Avivo was a connection to dynamic prices software. So we switched across to Hostfully, knowing that we were always going to sign up with, in our case, Price Labs. And that was the two core reasons to move across to Hostfully. Since moving across, like with anything, there's good points and bad points to every single PMS. We've used Avivo, we've used Evu, we've now used Hostfully. And if I could take the best points from all of them, we'd build the perfect PMS software. But that being said, I think it's more about what you need at the time. And for me and for our business, we needed certainly that dynamic pricing, and certainly we love the idea of it, the guest flow being really good.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.